Hello guys, welcome back to Zindy Edu Teach. How are you doing? Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at word that begins with CH. CH sound ch. So we have word that begin with CH. We have cheap, cheap, and we have child, child, and we have check, egg, check. So these words are very simple to pronounce. We have chin, chin, and we have chuck, hook, chuck, and we have chair, chair. We have chick, chick. So these are the words that has CH sound at the beginning, and we have more of them, a lot of them. So if you are someone who is learning how to read, you can start with this sound. It will help you to read. Thank you for watching. Bye.